first and foremost, I want to take a few seconds, not maybe 10 seconds, and just close your eyes and transport yourself somewhere else. And I'll tell you why you've done that after we've completed. Okay. The reason why it's important to transfer yourself somewhere else is because you have so many distractions in life. You have this distraction, you have that distraction, things that get in the way of what you want to do. And when you want to focus on something, when you want to complete something, you have to transfer your mind into that and stay there. While you're there, I'm going to be your